Not my bed. No, leave the bed. I had the weirdest dream. I shaved it all off. So glad I didn't. I'm just going to take this opportunity to thank you all for your support. Some of the comments are really nasty, but bring them on. The nastier the better. I love it. And also some comments are really lovely. Right, thought of the day. Instead of worrying about what you cannot control, just shift your energy to what you can create. That quote has given me new life to create more videos for you guys. I'm just glad you all get to share the moments with me. I try my best to edit these videos. I'm not the best at it, but I'm giving it a go. And I can only get better. That's what they say, don't they? So let's get back to this ramp that we're building. Okay, I'll see you there. Don't forget to eat your Weetabix. Right, here we go again. So, got myself a little bit. Ow! Right, okay, now that hurt. So, we put a line up. That's the bottom of our cut up. So we're basically going to lay bricks, cut them in half, lay bricks. So you've got a course of headers all the way through, all the way down to there. Got our pipes cut and we put these pipes in. Right. Get in there. Let's get in there. So that's ready for brick on edge. Just getting this bit done. Doing the cut up on here. Brick on edge will be done tomorrow. So this afternoon we've got to dig some of this out to fill it up with more of that. Mud at the moment. Right, that's the cut ups done. Now to fill it up with MOT and set these posts out. Time to fill it. Okay, so another day done in the office. Tomorrow we've got brick on edge all the way along there, all the way along there. Well, if you're still here now, I salute you. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and smash that ginger head button. See you soon. Peace.